Hi everyone, welcome to HExcelprop Marketing Service Private Limited. So today we are looking at 2 BHK apartment. So designed by Studio Roof, executed by Cretomani. So this is a Jodi apartment which we are looking out. We also have regular 2 BHK, but since we don't have regular 2 BHK model apartment, I'm showing you a 2 BHK Jodi flat of Godrej Ananda Phase 3. Anyone interested? Don't forget to call us. We'll be sharing our contact number in description, so that you may feel free to contact us. Already 4 towers, almost like 3 towers completely sold out. 4 tower is open for sale. We're expecting the 5th tower to open shortly. 74.99 lakh starts at, excluding other charges. This is G plus 22 floor and 24 floor apartment. A part of 3000 acre development, and as well as a part of 250 acre residential township. Residential development. We are closer to airport. We are closer to Yelahanka. We are in Aerospace Park, and we are also not very far from Bharatiya Technology Center. So we enter, the moment we enter, we have the living here. Living with dining table. Dining area space will be given. And then we have a proper balcony. It's a regular standard balcony. It's a very large balcony. Just look out, this is almost 4 feet by 6.2 or 6.3. This isn't enough. Then we have open kitchen. So in kitchen you will not be getting anything. You will be getting unfurnished apartment. Only slab you will get. Okay, what you will get, all these things we'll talk later, but I'll just show you the model apartment. In utility, you will get the open utility. Open in the sense outside the kitchen, because there are builders who have given within the kitchen. So I'm saying open utility. So that's how you will have the utility space. Let me show you. See this above that you will have a cover actually. It will be open from this side for ventilation purpose. So we have the first room we are entering, bedroom with 10 by 11 size. So please do not sit. They have clearly mentioned. So the visitors, the buyers, the home buyers, this is only for viewing. So this is the washroom attached to this room. In 1 BHK we have a different concept. 1 BHK plan is unique. I personally like that because they have given this washroom. See, if you look at this washroom and bathroom both are same. Both are in one place. So whereas in 1 BHK you have 2 different doors actually, entry and exit, and you will also have a separate wash basin. You can wash your hands after relaxation. Well, now this we have finished up. Like as I was talking about 1 BHK starts from 49.99 lakhs, excluding other charges. You have a proper balcony in 1 BHK and a proper utility space outside. Yes. Then this is the another bedroom that we are entering, which is 12 by 10 by 12. Even just look how the windows are big, and so this is the room would get attached to the other 1 BHK apartment. It's called Jodi flat. For further clarification, if you are more in confusion, don't worry, I'm here. We are available at the site to explain you about the project and other things. You may feel free to contact us. We'll be sharing our contact number in description. Even if you're not interested in contacting us, don't forget to subscribe to receive the future development updates or the Bangalore new upcoming project updates via channel. So here we have the washroom. So this unit starts from 74.99 lakhs, excluding other charges. So this is the Jodi unit, what we have. We also have a regular 2 BHK, which is 998 square feet approximate. The costing will be slightly lesser than the Jodi agreement value. We'll be sharing our number again. You can contact us. If you are looking out for larger 3 BHK apartments like 1588 or more than that, 1600 square feet and above, we have 3 BHK Jodi, 1600 square feet, 2 balconies. We also have a regular 3 BHK with 2 balcony apartments. Starts from 1 crore 9 lakh onwards. This comes in North Bangalore. The first time home buyers, this will be the best option for you. The prices are still lesser comparatively other projects closer to the city. I'm only comparing with the top developers, everybody. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future updates, as I said. And we'll be sharing a number in description. Call us, refer us if any of your friends and family who are interested buying a property in KIADB. Specifically for Godrej, we have the referral bonuses. Those customers who refer, irrespective of whether you are an existing customer to us or not. We are channel partners. We are not developers. We are marketing authorized channel partners, and we are RERA registered, everybody. Stay safe. Have a nice day.